Hi, I'm Kat from Crazy Cabbage, and today I'll be showing you how to make star-shaped coasters. For this tutorial I'll be using Lily Sugar and Cream cotton yarn. This one's denim, and then I also use some white for the outline. I'll be using the suggested hook size, which is H8 5mm. This pattern is in US terms. You'll find a link to the written pattern in the video info below. Please like this video and subscribe for more. Okay, let's get started. So I like to start with a magic ring, but to make this tutorial more beginner friendly, I'll show you how to start with a chain 4 and the slip stitch to join. So to do that, just make your slip knot however you do it. Then you do your chain 4. And then just slip stitch to join in this first chain. And then you'll be working everything into the middle of this ring. But anyway, I'm going to start with a magic ring, so I'm just going to pull that out. So magic ring, you wrap it around the 2 fingers, make sure it crosses. So hold your working yarn at the back there, put the hook through the middle of the ring. Just grab that working yarn, pull it through the middle. Carefully take your fingers out. And it goes like that. So then what we're going to do is we chain 1 to count as the first single crochet. And then I want to chain 3 more. And then single crochet into your ring. Chain 3. Single crochet into the ring. Chain 3. Single crochet into the ring. Chain 3. Single crochet into the ring. So now we've got 4 points. So this is the last point because this is a 5-point star. So this time we chain 3. And then you want to slip stitch to join into the second chain. And just pull it through like that. And then you can, if you did the magic ring, you can pull it closed. That's the beginnings of the star. So now we're on to round 2. We're going to be working into these chain spaces. So we're going to start off by putting a slip stitch into that first space there, just to move it over a little. Okay, and then we chain 1 to count as the first single crochet, and then you want to put a single crochet into that gap. We're going to chain 3 to make the point of the star. Then into this same chain space here, we're going to put 2 single crochets. That makes the first cluster. Find the second chain space. Then we're going to do another cluster into here, so it's 2 single crochets. Chain 3. 2 single crochets, all into that same space. That's that second point of the star. Same again into this next space. So it's 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets. Next space, 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets. Then we've got one more space to go, 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets, and then you find this first single crochet here and you want to put a slip stitch to join in the top of there. And that's the round completed. Now we're on to round 3, so start by chaining 1. That counts as your first single crochet, and then we're going into this corner next, so we're just going to do the cluster again. So it's 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets, and now we've got a loop along the side here, so we're going to find the next single crochet here, and we're going to put a single crochet in there. Then we skip this next one and then find the next one and put a single crochet in there. So that should have been the last one before this next corner here. So now we're onto the corner and we're going to put the cluster into here again. So it's 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets, and then we're onto the side again. So find this next one here, single crochet in there, skip the next one, single crochet in the next one. Then it's the corner again, so we put the cluster in, 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets, then a single crochet in the next one, skip one, single crochet in the next one, then this corner, 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets, then a single crochet in the next one, skip one, single crochet in the next one, then put the cluster in this corner, so that's single crochet, chain 3, and 2 more single crochets. Single crochet in the next one, and now we're back to the start again, so find the first single crochet that you made and then just slip stitch to join in the top of it, like that. So now we're on to round 4, so chain 1 and single crochet in the next one, do the cluster for the corner, so 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets, single crochet in each of the next 2, So start with this one, to that, into the next one, skip the next one, and single crochet in each of the next two. So that should take you up to this next corner, and then we put the cluster in there again. 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets, single crochet in each of the next two, skip the next one, single crochet in each of the next two, make the cluster, 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets, single crochet in each of the next two, skip the next one, single crochet in each of the next two. Then make the cluster in the chain space, so that's 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets, single crochet in each of the next two, skip the next one, single crochet in each of the next two, make the cluster, 2 single crochets, chain 3, 2 single crochets, single crochet in each of the next two, and now we're back to the beginning of the round, so I'll find that first single crochet that you made and slip stitch to join. Okay, round 5, so chain 1, single crochet in each of the next two, okay, this time the corners are going to be different, so we're going to put 5 single crochets in that chain space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's 5, and then single crochet in each of the next 3, it's 3, skip the next one, single crochet in each of the next 3, put 5 single crochets in this chain space, it's 4, and there's 5, single crochet in each of the next 3, skip the next one, single crochet in each of the next 3, five single crochets in the chain space, that's 5, single crochet in each of the next 3, skip the next one, single crochet in each of the next 3, 5 single crochets in the chain space. That's 5. Single crochet in each of the next 3. Skip the next one, single crochet in each of the next 3. Five single crochets in the corner. Single crochet in each of the next 3. So now we're at the end of the round, and I'm going to change colour this time as well to put that border on. So what we need to do is we're going to be skipping this next one, and then you're going to find that first single crochet, insert your hook in there, and then instead of taking your yarn and pulling it through like you normally would, we're going to take the white here. We're just going to hook that and then make the slip stitch in that colour. And then chain 1. And then I'm just going to cut the blue one. So now we're going to do backward single crochet all the way around to get this nice spiral border. So insert your hook into the last hole there. Make sure you keep your finger on this yarn that's on the hook, because you've got to hold that in place to do this if you haven't done this before. Just pull through a loop, make a single crochet, hook into the next one, pull through, make the single crochet, and you're just going to keep going all the way around. Putting a single crochet in each. Okay, so if you want to hit pause and just continue to do that. So when you've gone all the way around, back to the end here, just going to slip stitch and this last one, and then chain 1, and then cut your yarn. So then we just cut. Then if you take your yarn needle and thread it, and then we're just going to thread it in this direction, so then it'll help close the gap.
Oh, that's yours. Mom? Oh, here.
Just pull it through like that. Then just weave in your ends and it's all finished. So you could go rewind, watch again and make a whole set of these coasters. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.